Hello peoples! Are you filming a video? Hello peoples! I am Aniya from Daily Nanny Stories and I'm the best person in the world and you all know it. Hello! This is Daily Nanny Stories. I'm Aniya.
And I'm your Nano back to you. And how are you, my kids? I hope you all are fine. I am back after a long time, but Aniya is with me and we are going to show you something today very special. The kids like it so much. Aniya, tell them what we are going to make.
We're going to be making a vanilla cake. Now we'll show you the ingredients. Alright, we need 3 eggs, but we only have 2, we have to get more. Half cup of vegetable oil, full cup of water, and super moist French vanilla cake mix from the market.
And a mixer.
So, as you can see, we already put in the mixture over here and the 3 eggs. Now we have to put in the water. Yeah.
And start mixing the mixture.
And then we also have to put in the vegetable oil.
We just mix it a little bit and after that we will put the oil in.
Okay.
Aniya, can you?
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, this smells really good right now. Anyways, we have to put in the vegetable oil now. The half cup of vegetable oil. Let's do that.
Come on.
Yeah, let's put the vegetable oil in the mixture. Okay, mix.
So guys, the mixture is done. We have to mix it so well that no lumps you cannot see any lumps in it, and now it is ready to be cooked. So for that we have 2 more steps to do. First we have to preheat our oven for 10 minutes before we started, and we have to prepare our pan for this this mixture.
Okay, here. I want to do some ASMR really quickly.
So guys, we are going to use this pan for baking our cake. We have to grease this first. And Aniya, you tell us how long we have to put it in the oven, preheated oven.
So we have to make it to 350 Fahrenheit and for 28 to 33 minutes.
Okay, so we are going to put it in the oven now, that is preheated. So this is a greased pan and we are going to put the batter in the pan.
Alright.
Okay, Aniya, do it.
I'm gonna get it in the right there.
It should be on the all sides equally. Now just clean the bowl.
Alright, so we put the cake batter into the pan, and while it's in the oven, we're gonna be reading a story for another video. So stay tuned for that one.
Yes. The oven is preheated and now we have to put the cake in. Okay?
Oh yeah!
This is the oven and we put the cake inside for 28 to 33 minutes.
Cake time!
And then,
okay, so we took the cake out of the oven. You want to see its grand look? Drum roll, please!
this is the cake. And we are going to put it in this plate. This is hot, so we have to use this cloth. And now this is
Donut cake! Donut cake, yeah!
So we are going to happy birthday to you, Aniya.
No, never. Okay, we're starting.
Correct.
Happy birthday to somebody in the world. Najan, I was saying to somebody in the world.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday
to somebody
Ali.
Oh yeah, it's Ali's birthday.
Yes.
Happy birthday, Ali. This cake is for you.
So put this in this plate, and it's so fluffy and so nice and so tasty, and it smells so good.
It does smell very good. That's all for today. Make sure to check out all our old videos and the new one that we told you we're gonna do. and like and subscribe, and I hope you like this video.
Okay, you'll see your Nano soon telling you a story. Okay, bye bye.
Bye
Bye bye. Bye.
bye.